BCCI Secretary Devajit Sakia breaks silence on whether there will be handshakes in the Women's World Cup match between India and Pakistan. Sakia said that he cannot predict anything as the relations with Pakistan remain the same. However, he assured that India will follow everything in the rulebook. If his statement is anything to go by, then expect no handshakes between India and Pakistan, as there is nothing mentioned about the same in the laws of the game. In a surprising move, USA Cricket filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on October 1 minutes before its preliminary injunction hearing related to disagreement with American Cricket Enterprises. This is the first instance of an ICC member body declaring bankruptcy. As the hearings came to a pause by USAC's counsel's notification, ACE questioned the timing of the decision. Former South Africa cricketer AB de Villiers has said that India's stance of not receiving the Asia Cup trophy from Mohsin Naqvi does not belong in sport, adding that sport should be celebrated for what it is, slamming the Indian team for their refusal of the trophy. The Indian team celebrated their victory over arch-rivals Pakistan with fireworks but without a trophy in hand. Chairman of Poonawalla Fincorp Ada Poonawalla has sparked rumours of buying RCB. Reports suggest that the team is up for grabs 4 months after winning their maiden IPL trophy. According to reports, Poonawalla has initiated talks with Diageo plc, the current owners of Bengaluru, regarding the potential purchase of the franchise. Ravichandran Ashwin pulled out of the ILT20 auction, which is a massive surprise. It was expected that the ace Indian spinner would be a hot pick at the auction, but he went unsold. Dawes shed light on Ashwin going unsold, explaining that the spinner pulled out of the auction at the last minute, which was why no bids came in for him. He criticized Ashwin for not reading the room as well.